Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm obsessed with doing this dotted line or dash line to a path. And I just showed a video on Objective Path, which is only available in Corel 2018 or Corel X18. Everybody's got the blend tool. So to do this, you've already got, if you haven't followed along on how to make this line, under the same name on like part one is how to make this curvature of this line. But take both these, make a duplicate of it, and then let's invert it again vertically. Then while they're both selected, go to Effects and Blend, and let's blend it 20 times. And then go right here to New Path. Now check Blend along full tap path and check Rotate all objects. And hit apply. There's the exact same way to do it. What is nice about this, let's say those are too close together, hit 18 and you've got less of them. Let's try 15. This way you'll know what it looks like and you can change it readily and they're all spaced out perfectly. So that's the blend tool. Everybody's got that. I don't know when it started, but for sure it is. Now to get rid of that, you have to go to Range and break Blend apart, and then you can get rid of your hairline. But anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.